Hi friends, welcome to #TechieMit. So in continuation of the ReEntrantLock demo, in the last video we saw about the theory explanation. Now in this video let's deep dive into the real world example of ReEntrantLock demo. So let's deep dive into the video. So this program will show a ReEntrantLock demo in Java. So this is our main class. So basically I will design a class. Okay. So resource here. Okay, and there I will define the lock. That is important. So we have created an instance of the lock interface, the reentrant lock. Now method for the public void show source demo. We created a node. We have created an instance of the lock variable. Lock check. And we made it final, so not be like it can be modified. So it is final. And created lock object over here, and this will create the name of the thread that would acquire this lock. So initially, yeah, uh, as we offered lock, what we'll do, I iterate through a loop for this for my plus plus additional for loop I'm using. Program. Currently, so it will lock held by the program, and current execution is loop is I print, and we'll basically hold a lock over here. This since it enters the method, it will held the lock on the object. So it is so initially it acquired the lock. It after that we printed this statement, and after that it went into the sleep mode. Suppose we'll sleep for, let's say, 3 milliseconds. It will sleep. 3 seconds it will sleep. So direct catch. Okay. After that, we'll unlock the object over here outside the loop of the loop. As we have acquired before entering the loop, it will acquire the like it will first acquire the lock, and then it will execute the loop. It will sleep. We have introduced a delay of 3 seconds per thread, and it will go on printing. And after its work is done, it will release the lock, and it can re-enter into the critical section region. So it's a re-enter with the help of the 3 second. I can again the thread that was current first executing to again re-enter. So after the delay of 3 seconds, so we introduce this. Yeah. After that, yeah. After this class, we will introduce one more class. That is class implements runnable. Uh, Implements will give name implement ShowResource because this source and yeah, and we'll create a constructor of this resource. And implements resource. It will be this class ShowResource thread name. This dot ShowResource and this dot thread name equal to thread name. The run method will give the call to ShowResource dot thread name. So we give the class. So with the help of parameterized constructor, we have created the ShowResource and constructor dependency injection. We have injected the ShowResource in the implement resource constructor, and we also passed this string thread name in the implement ShowResource class. And now this is our main class. We create a public static void main string str. Yeah. We'll implement the thread with the runnable instance, and so okay, source. Okay. After that, as you know, we need to create a runnable thread. So worker one, thread one. We'll create approximately 4 runnable worker threads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Give them the name 2, 3, 4, and 4 worker threads. So this is because the runnable instance we are created using that thread instance, and T1 new thread worker okay 2, 3, 4 2, 3, 4. Now here's T1 dot start, T2 dot start, T3 dot start, and T4 dot start. Now to we need to over here worker 2, worker 3, worker 3, worker 4. So these are the runnable instances, 4 runnable instance created. We have created a shared resource called a show resource, and it will be shared by the 4 threads. And we have created the 4 threads: thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, and thread 4. And we have created the 4 this thing, and we will join method to join the threads synchronously. We'll use that way. T1 dot join, T2 dot join, T3 dot join, and lastly T4 dot join. So we'll throw the interpreter exception, and finally we'll print that out dot println. All the threads have successfully finished execution. And finally we'll just a big correction over here. We'll take the entire thing and retry. Yes, interrupted exception ex. That has been interrupted. After that we'll release this in the finally will unlock this in the finally object, and we'll print it finally the lock has been released. We have acquired lock over here. Release the lock. All the friends have finished execution. So in this show resource, we acquired lock on the object. We read that the lock is final. We get the show resource demo to in which we had the lock on object. After that we In the loop we iterated. So it iterated. So we'll in the lock over here. In after that we have in the show resource we have created this method. After that we have implemented the implement show resource using ImplementsRunnable. We have used the main constructor. After that in the show resource we have created the show resource instance. With the help of runnable we have created the worker, and we have created given an instance the call. After that we have given to the call start, and after that all the to achieve the thread working synchronously we have make the use of join method. So we'll just try to compile this program once. Let's see how it executes. Thread 1 current loop is 0, current thread 1 current loop is 1, 2, so it's execute 3, 3, 4. Yeah, so thread 1 is currently executed. Finally the lock has been released. So thread 1 lock has been released after it it printed the line, and after that the thread 2 holds the lock. And because we make the use of join methods, so it executed in a like proper fashion. After first thread completed the execution, then it executed the thread other thread completed execution. So in the synchronous fashion we it completed the threads. After the finally lock has been released. Now we are in the fourth thread. So it's it's loop 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's done, and after that it will print all the threads have finished this line. Yeah, the lock is been all the threads have been released. So using the join, it has been executed in the synchronous manner. Suppose I just comment out these lines and try to execute, and let's see how it executes. See, you're not seeing the proper output because just before finishing only it's showing that all the threads have finished executing, and actually as per our expected output is not same. So we will not we'll use the make the use of join thread only. So we can say the in the synchronous where in the proper format the execution of the thread. So yeah, we'll execute the program. So it will execute correctly execution of the threads. So after first thread will execute after the second thread, and after that fourth thread in this manner. It's correctly executing first thread after the second thread, that after third thread after fourth thread, and with the help of join method we are ensured that we are seeing the output in the proper format. So this video was all about to the demo of ReEntrantLock. We seen that how we created a class, and uh, we created a ShowResource demo and how we built upon it, and we created some other class. So with the help of three classes, we were able to execute the demo. So this was all about ReEntrantLock, and it's a real time experience, real time example. So do keep liking, subscribing to #TechieMit, more to come on you on thread related concepts, and still a stack of 5, 4, 5, 6 videos are remaining. So stay tuned. Bye for now.